Hello learners! Today we will learn about the history of microscope. The microscope is a tool that can help you see tiny objects and organisms. It makes objects look bigger because of its magnifying power, or what we call magnification. It also has the capacity to distinguish small gaps between 2 points which we cannot distinguish through its resolving power or resolution. During the 1st century, Romans discovered a clear thick glass with thin edges. They found out that if you look through an object using this glass, the object would look larger. This is where the discovery of lenses started. Year 1590, Zacharias Janssen and his father Hans took a tube and put lenses on each end and observed objects. He made a very important discovery of the first compound microscope. Year 1632, Anton van Leeuwenhoek. He made a simple microscope and was the first to observe bacteria, yeast, red blood cells, and described colonies of protozoans teeming in a drop of rainwater, which he called animalcules. He is also known as the father of microscopy cells. Year 1665, Robert Hooke spent time improving the design and capabilities of microscope. He discovered tiny compartments in a thin sliced cork. He then called this compartment cells. Year 1826, Joseph Jackson Lister. He developed an achromatic lens and used several weak lenses together at given distances, resulting in a great magnification without blurring images. This helped make microscope important tools in medical research. And year 1931, physicist Ernst Ruska and electrical engineer Max Knoll developed the first prototype electron microscope. It's capable of 400 power magnification. That is the history of microscope and how it was discovered. I'll see you again in my next video lesson about the parts of microscope and their function. Bye everyone! Have a good day!